Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact device model and OS version because controls vary. This prevents wrong steps. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Accessibility or Display to locate the on-screen button option. Make sure to back up settings so you can restore if needed. If the button is tied to a physical bezel or housing, prepare a small screwdriver or manufacturer tool. You'll need that only if software disable fails. This gets you into the exact control panel to act immediately. You now focus on disabling the control through software. First, toggle the on-screen button off in the identified menu. If it reappears, clear the app cache and restart the device to flush settings. If there is no toggle, locate the helper app in App Settings and disable or uninstall it, making sure to revoke accessibility permissions so it cannot re-enable itself. For stubborn cases, you can use developer tools like ADB to change secure settings directly. This removes persistent overlays more reliably. You finish by rebooting the device and verifying the on-screen button is gone across apps and on the lock screen. This confirms the change applied system-wide. If the button returns, back up critical data and consider a factory reset as a last resort, because that removes persistent system-level changes. If removal fails, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps, and if it still persists, suspect a hardware-linked control. Contact the manufacturer for repair. This gives you one clear troubleshooting path if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.